مرحبا مرحبا أهلا وسهلا بكم. In this lesson we will be working on page 29 and is to explain how to say who, how to say and use who in Arabic. Man, you can say man هذا, who is this, if you are pointing to masculine. Man هذا, man هذه, who is this, we are pointing to female. من هذا, من هذه. من ذلك, who is that, pointing to a male. من تلك, who is that, pointing to a female. من ذلك الرجل, who is that man. من ذلك الرجل, who is that man. هو معلم, is a teacher. من تلك المرأة, من تلك المرأة, who is that woman. هي معلمة, she is a teacher. Now note how we are matching the gender. Here we say هذا, but here I say هذه for female. ذلك for that, for masculine. And تلك is for feminine. Man stays the same, no changes at all. We have huwa and here for female, she is. Huwa is he is. Muallimun, that's a male teacher. And muallimatun, a female teacher. Now let's do exercise 22 together on page 29. And we have 6 pictures there and we'll be translating from English to Arabic. Number 1, who is that man? من ذلك الرجل? هو طبيب, he's a doctor. Number 2, من ذلك الرجل? He's a baker. من ذلك الرجل? Who is that man? هو خباز, is a baker. Number 3, who is that man? Is a policeman. من ذلك الرجل? هو شرطي. Number 4, who is that woman? من تلك المرأة? She's a nurse. هي ممرضة. Number 5, who is that man? Is a butcher. من ذلك الرجل? Who is that man? هو جزار, he's a butcher. Number 6, last one, who is that woman? من تلك المرأة? Who is that woman? She is a doctor. هي طبيبة. Continue revising your previous lessons, please, and do all your exercise for me from exercise 1 all the way to exercise 22. Okay? Well done. أحسنتم. مع السلامة. في أمان الله.